So you're at like almost 10,000 monthly recurring revenue?
8374 right now.
It's 100 grand a year.
Yeah, and we've only been open for 13 days. So.
Oh my gosh. So you're not a coder, you're not a technical person.
No. The cool thing is you don't need really anything other than an internet connection to make this work. I wonder if I can do the same experiment with...
I was looking for a job in Australia, which was very hard. So I started looking for jobs online as well. And then I came across Outlier. Hello, my name is Tara and I'm from the Netherlands, living in the Gold Coast, Australia. I've been working for Outlier for around 5 to 6 months now, and I've been traveling in the meantime. And at the company, I first started at Dutch languages, where I did language tasks. I really liked the work, especially when I switched to the coding, which is more of my background. I did my bachelor in artificial intelligence, so that's where my interest is at, which is why I think this company is also like really interesting for me personally. Working at Outlier really complements my lifestyle because first of all, I love traveling. I could travel anywhere and still be able to work. And it really gives me the freedom to go surfing and then at any point of the day when the waves are good, and then go back and do some more work.
This website has users reporting $500 to $2,000 per month. And no, this is not one of those trust me bro videos. I actually went through real user reviews, verified earnings reports, and dissected how these platforms work behind the scenes so you don't waste your time. Because in 2026, making money online is no longer about working harder, it's about using the right tools before everyone else finds them. Most people are still stuck using outdated methods from 2020 that simply don't scale anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you new and emerging AI-powered websites that are already paying users, how much they pay, how the top earners are using them, and how you can actually get started today. Deep Dive 1: Outlier AI and the data training boom. Let's start with one of the most underrated platforms right now, Outlier AI. This is an AI training platform where companies pay you to improve how LLMs, large language models, respond to humans. While most people are just chatting with AI, a small group of people is getting paid to build it. I've checked the real user data from early 2026. Here is the reality. The work is essentially high-level quality control. You'll be reviewing AI-generated answers, ranking which response is better, correcting factual mistakes, and writing complex prompts to test the system's limits. Now, let's talk numbers. The pay depends on your specific tier and the quality of your feedback. Standard tasks range from $15 to $25 per hour. However, for those with specialized knowledge, think math, coding, or finance, the rates can jump significantly. We've seen verified dashboards of part-time contributors clearing over $1,000 a month. But here is the part most people skip. You need to pass an assessment. In 2026, these companies have moved past random clicks. They need high-quality data. If you take the initial test seriously and prove you can provide nuanced feedback, this becomes a consistent income stream rather than just random side cash. Deep Dive 2: DataAnnotation.tech, the gold standard. This is the second platform. DataAnnotation.tech is often considered the gold standard in the industry. It's very similar to Outlier, but with a reputation for higher consistency and better project variety. Based on the latest reports, users on this platform are engaged in deep reasoning tasks. You aren't just clicking buttons, you are labeling complex data sets and evaluating the logic behind an AI's thought process. Here's what stands out in 2026. Generalist projects typically start at a flat $20 per hour. If you have coding skills or a STEM background, that rate often doubles, with some specialized projects paying $40 to $60 per hour. The filter here is even tighter than Outlier. Their acceptance rate is famously low, around 3%, because they only want workers who can follow complex instructions to the letter. But for the ones who pass, the work is nearly 24/7. It's a literal pipeline of cash for training the systems that will run the world's businesses next year. Deep Dive 3: AI content repurposing, the multiplier effect. This third method is quietly exploding. AI content repurposing. In the past, you needed a team of editors to be everywhere. Now, you need one piece of pillar content and the right tools. We're seeing users take one 10-minute video and use AI tools like Opus Clip or Cat fast magic to turn it into 20 different pieces of content, shorts, reels, LinkedIn posts, and newsletter drafts automatically. The money here isn't a direct pay per task, it's a business model. People are running faceless content agencies. They take trending topics, use AI to generate research-backed scripts, and turn those scripts into high-retention videos using platforms like HeyGen or Pictory. Small channels are getting monetized in record time because they can post twice a day without burning out. Consistency used to be the hardest part of the creator economy. Now, AI removes that barrier. You stop focusing on the labor of editing and start focusing on the strategy of distribution. Deep Dive 4, the evolution of microtasks. The fourth platform involves AI-powered microtasks. Forget the old survey sites that paid pennies. In 2026, platforms like FreeCash and JumpTask have integrated with AI companies that need massive amounts of human input for very specific niches. We're talking about image tagging for self-driving cars or content moderation for social media algorithms. While individual tasks might pay a few dollars, the speed at which you can complete them using AI-assisted browser tools has changed the math. Users who treat this like a serious part-time job are reporting $300 to $500 per month. It's not get rich quick, but it's the fastest way to start earning online with zero prior skills. It gets you into the ecosystem and builds the capital you need for the more serious methods. Deep Dive 5. AI, freelancing, and scaled output. Method 5 is where we see the biggest income jumps. AI freelancing. In 2026, the freelance market has split in two. There are people doing things manually, and there are people using AI to complete jobs 10 times faster. Whether it's writing technical white papers, generating marketing copy, or building landing pages, the clients don't care about the process. They care about the result. An AI-powered freelancer can handle 5 to 10 clients in the time it takes a traditional freelancer to handle one. We've seen reports of people scaling from $0 to over $1,500 per month within 90 days simply by packaging the AI output into a professional service. The opportunity isn't in using the AI, it's in being the bridge between the tool and the client who doesn't know how to use it. Deep Dive 6. Data monetization and passive stacking. The sixth platform is one most people overlook: data monetization. You're already giving your data to big tech for free. In 2026, platforms like Honeygain or Nielsen allow you to reclaim that value. By sharing your unused internet bandwidth or browsing patterns, you can earn $5 to $50 per month completely passively. It's not life-changing, but in a world where every dollar counts, this is set-it-and-forget-it money. When you stack this on top of the other methods, it covers your subscriptions, your internet bill, and your tool costs, making your entire AI business effectively free to run. The final strategy: mastery over motion. I want to be real with you. None of these websites are push a button and get rich. What they do is remove the friction. They make it easier to start and faster to execute.